Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create a pop-out effect in Canva for a business card. So let's get started. Well, to create a pop-up in Canva, the first thing you'll want to do is log in into your Canva account. If you don't have one, navigate into canva.com and create a free account. For the pop-up effect on a business card, I'll navigate into the search area and type business card. Canva will then give me a variety of business card options and templates that I can use. In this case, I do not want to get a very complicated business card because I would want to do a little bit of editing. Let me pick these. So I'll click on it to open and I'll select customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode. Here, you can do a number of customizations. One, you can have your name up here by just double clicking on the name option and typing yours. You can also type your position in that organization and some of the addresses and telephone numbers that are required for a business card. On this company option, I'll want to eliminate this and input my own logos. So I'll remove these options, and up here I want to put a tiny logo here, and then I'll put my 3D effect pop out right here. So to make that possible, I'll go back into my upload section to pick a logo. I can upload that from my computer files or use the available tools provided. I will choose this as a sample logo, which I'll bring it up here, reduce the size a little bit so that it fits accurately, and put it at the top there. Since it has a very wide layout, I may want to kill that, and by this case I'll navigate into the edit image option after selecting the image and select background remover. Once the background remover is done, now you can see the image does not have a background. The next thing is to do a pop-up effect out here. To make that possible, I'll navigate into the upload folder and choose any photo of my choice. It could be a photo that reflects what the company does or whoever represents our brand. In this case, I'll choose this image and bring it into my working area. I'll want to make it a little bit bigger and then push it a little bit to fit in down here. I want to pop up this particular section so that we have the pop-out effect. To make that possible, I'll click that image, navigate into the image editing option. I will then select Magic Grab. Magic Grab will select any element in my image and separate it from the background. So in this case, I'll wait. Once the Magic Grab is complete, I'll come and select this image of the individual as the areas of my Magic Grab, and I'll select Grab. Now you'll notice that this particular image has been pulled out from its background. And in this case, I can pick the background and reduce it a little bit. And maybe flatten the corners a little bit by selecting the border option, making them a little bit rounded. And there we go. We have already created a pop-out effect on this business card. If I want to add my company name at the top here, then I'll navigate into the text option and select add text heading and write my company. Once this is done, I'll just move it a little bit up. I'll change the color to this shade of orange. And there we have it. We have created a pop-out effect in Canva. Now to export this, you'll navigate into the share option and select download option. Choose a PNG. The number of pages, since I've only worked with page 1, I don't want page 2. I'll just deselect page 2. Once it's done, I'll hit on download and my business card with a pop-out effect will download to my computer. And there we have it. You can now create a pop-out effect in Canva for a business card. If you like this video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.